How to add text over an image. Now, the way people traditionally insert images is by going to insert and image. When you insert an image that way, you can't add text over the image. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a brand new page, click on insert, and instead of going on an image, I'm going to select drawing and new. Now here, I can add an image. I'm just going to select a random image. Once the image is loaded, then you can select the text box and just select the area where you want your text to be. Just select whatever. Once I click save and close, as you can see, the image is right here and the text is on top of the image. Now, you can drag it around, but what I really want to show you is image options and all image options. Here you can access more image options, the size and whatnot. Now, if you messed something up, you don't have to delete this and repeat the same exact steps. You can just click it once, click edit, and there you go. You can get back to editing. And that's how you add text over an image in Google Docs.